When you're working to make the best gaskets in the industry, you can't just assume that you've done the job right. You've got to be sure. At Fel-Pro, that means strict validation processes and rigorous on-vehicle testing to help ensure optimal performance in the repair environment.
When you're installing a gasket, you want to have confidence that it's going to work right and last for the long haul. Testing is absolutely vital. We look at the application, the sealing surfaces, the materials and parts for particular applications, and we test them. At the Fel-Pro Field Test Garage, we install parts on vehicles, take photos and surface measurements, and then they're driven by real people in the real world. You get a full range of conditions that you can't get in a lab. Typically, we log nearly 1 million miles per year. We might be testing new designs or materials, embossments or coatings. We want to know that our parts will perform. And the technicians who install them, they can have the confidence because they're real-world tested and real-world proven.